Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you how to make a cute little shoe for a baby girl. So I am using 2 mm needle and yarn. So first of all, chain 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. In the second one, make single crochet in the second. Now in the next make single. So make 4 single crochet in a row, and now make double crochet 4 times. 1 2 3 and 4. In the last one, make 7 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now make 4 double crochet, 2 3 and 4. Now make 4 single crochet. 1 2 2 3 and 4. In the 4 we will make 4 single crochet. 1 2 3 and 4, and make a slip stitch here. This is my first row of the shoe sole. Now make 3 1 2 3 and double crochet into the next 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Make 9 double crochet. Now make 2 double crochet in one stitch for 5 times. In 5 stitches make 2 double crochet. This one is my 2 and this is third one. Make 2 double crochet in same stitch. 3 4 5. Now make 9 double crochet in a row. Now I have 3 stitches, and in every stitch make 2 double crochet. 2 double crochet in each stitch. Now this is my last one, and 1 2 in the third one make slip stitch. Now start third row. Acha, chain 3 and make double crochet into 10 stitches. Double crochet into 10 stitches. Now make in the next one make 2 double crochet. In the next make 1 double crochet. In the next make 2 double crochet. In the next make 1 double crochet, and in the middle of it make 3 double crochet. 1 2 3 in one stitch. Now 1 and 2 double crochet in a stitch. Again 1 and next 2 double crochet in a stitch. Now make 10 double crochet in a row. 2 3 4. Now I have 4 stitches. Now do double crochet 2 times in one stitch, in the next 1, in the next 2, in the next 1. 1 2 3. Now my shoe sole is complete. Now cut the yarn here. Now I am using blue color. Chain 1, chain 2 and 3, and make in the back side of the stitch. This one is the back side, this one, not this one, the front one, not this back side, and make double crochet into the back side of the stitch. Now make it all over till to the end of another side. All over. Now I done my double crochet all over the shoe. Now chain 3 and make double crochet, double crochet, and in the next make another double crochet. In the next make another double crochet. 4. Now decrease. 1 2, make it decrease. Now 2 double crochet. Again make 1 2, decrease. Now again 2, 1 2, again decrease, again 1 2. Now 2 decrease, make 2 decrease together. This is one decrease, this is my second one. Now again make one double crochet and decrease, make two, again decrease, and now make one double crochet till to the end. In all stitches one double crochet. Now chain one and make 6 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now make decrease of, now single crochet again, and now make again decrease one, and this one is second, again half double crochet, again decrease, again half double crochet, again decrease, again half double crochet, again decrease, again half, and now single crochet in a row till to the end. Now I cut the yarn. Now insert from, this is my decrease, so I will start from this side. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Now turn twice and skip one. In the next make triple crochet and hold here. In the next make 2 and skip one. In the next 1, 2 and hold it. Again turn twice, skip one. In the next make triple. Make it for 9 times. I make it for 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Now pull the yarn from all of it and make a single crochet. Now cut it. It will look like this. Now I completed my first all the upper part of the shoe. Now I will start from this side and make now chain 1 and in the same make double crochet all to the next, make half double crochet into the make double crochet, skip one, in the next one make it and till this side, skip one from the this, start from this side. Now chain 15. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. Now skip 1 2 3 4 5. In the sixth one make half double crochet. Now this space is for the button. This is buttonhole. Now make half double crochet till to the end of this line. Now this and make slip stitch here. Cut the yarn. Now my shoe is ready. See, this is the strap and put a button over here, and this is my cute little design, and this is for 0 to 3 months. I hope you will like it. Please subscribe my channel. See you in next tutorial inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.